Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Kim. Today, we'll be showing you the S-PLAY Programmer, a free desktop app for Mac and Windows that lets you build complete light shows offline just using the S-PLAY. Let me paint a quick picture. You're on site, hardware's in front of you, everything's set up, and then you realize your show still needs work. Or you spent ages recording a dynamic cue, play it back, and one tiny transition is off the whole time. Or best one, you've got a great idea for a light show, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it because your hardware isn't with you. It's small stuff, but it adds up, especially when you're juggling multiple installations.
This is the S-PLAY Programmer, a free desktop app built for the S-PLAY SP1. If you've already got one, then you're ready to go. If you're familiar with the S-PLAY web interface, this will feel right at home. Same controls, same workflow, same layout. It's just on your desktop. No hardware connection needed at all. You can do everything offline. So you can build your show wherever you are, at home, on the road, or in the office. All works the same. You do not need any third-party software whatsoever. We've added a couple new features into the app that allow you to build a complete light show from scratch. Then, when you're ready, with a single click of a button, you can send your show directly to the S-PLAY over the network. Or you can take the traditional route, export the show, and then use it as a backup or distribute it to clients. Either way, it's on the hardware and it runs completely standalone as the S-PLAY's always done. No licenses, no dongles, no activation headaches. All right, let's actually build something. So passing the S-PLAY off to Kim.
All right, so we've got the S-PLAY SP1 here connected to some LED bars in the back, and the S-PLAY Programmer is downloaded on this computer. Let's go from nothing to a complete live show in a few minutes. First up, layout. A new page that only exists in the S-PLAY Programmer. This is where you map your actual fixture setup. So, what does your rig look like? A straight strip, a grid, something custom? You pick your fixture type here, add the pixel count, and place it correctly on the canvas. You can also upload an image of your installation and trace your fixture positions directly onto it. Or, better yet, if you've already got your fixtures defined in ELM like I did, you can export your strip as a CSV and import that directly using this button. And done. Now I'll save this layout as LED bars. And the software understands the shape of the rig, which becomes really important in a second. Next, scene cues. This is the second big addition and also only available in the S-PLAY Programmer. Let's head into cues and create a new scene cue. What you're looking at here is a library of shader-based animations. There's color waves, gradients, chases, sparkles, all built in. I'll pick one. And you can see it preview instantly on the canvas. And because we've already defined the layout, if I click on this, the animation maps exactly to the fixture positions. So what you see here is what you'll actually get on the rig. From here, you can tweak colors, speed, and a zoom, get it looking exactly how you want.
With scene cues, you don't record, you bake. The software renders ahead of time, so an hour-long sequence only takes a fraction of that. Let's do a quick demo. I choose my scene, I go down to the bottom, and then I choose the time I want and then the cycles. I'll choose 10 seconds, 4 cycles, and I'll click Start Bake. And that's it, done. Now I'll preview it on the S-PLAY. And there it is, straight to the LED bars, exactly as we built it. Now, previewing allows me to tweak and then rebake. The S-PLAY Programmer doesn't output DMX directly, so you'll need your S-PLAY connected to run your fixtures. But just like that, from a blank canvas to a live show in just a few minutes. Once you're happy, Once you're happy, hit deploy and the S-Play takes over. No computer needed, everything runs standalone on the S-Play. And if you've got the multiple S-Plays in a large installation, you can push the same show to all of them with the click of a button. Build it once, deploy it everywhere.
And make sure S-Play is on firmware 3.2 or above. Once you're on the same network, the app automatically discovers every S-Play device and lists them right here. If it's available, locked, or needs an update, it's all visible at a glance, and there's a quick link to open the web interface for any device if you need to make any changes. Oh, and the software updates itself too. Every time you open it, it checks for the latest version, so you're always up to date.
So again, if you already own an S-Play SP1, you're all set. Download the programmer and start building your next light show from wherever you are.
It's free, available for Mac and Windows, and the link's in the description below. Give it a go, you might be surprised how quickly it all comes together.
See you next time.